Hey guys, it's Veronica. One of the most frequent questions I get about hair is how in the world do you make your hair look good between washes? So in today's video, I'm actually gonna go through that. I only wash my hair twice a week. I've been doing this for probably about a decade. And just like anyone else, I take walks outside in the humidity. I'm running around chasing after my kids. I do workouts. So I definitely need to do something in between washes to keep my hair looking its best. So today I'm going to show you a trick, and I am starting out with 4th day hair. So this is just hair that I have not washed in 4 days. I've curled it once, and you can see I still have some wave left in my hair, but my roots are really flat. And that's really what I'm going to address today, is how to kind of pump up your hair, revive it, and make it look like you just got a fresh blowout. So the first thing I do is I just brush my hair and smooth it out, and I'm just gonna use this brush, and that's just to make sure there's kind of no knots, no tangles before you apply the key product, which is going to be dry shampoo. And then I'm going to show you a technique to kind of give your dry shampoo an even bigger boost so that you are getting more volume into your freshly dry shampooed hair. So here we go. Refreshing your hair between washes always requires dry shampoo. It's kind of like that power product that gives you that amazing clean fresh hair result. Today I'm using Pantene Pro V Never Tell dry shampoo. I love this one because it has no sulfates, no parabens. It just helps you refresh your hair between washes. It does contain vitamin B5 and wild mint, and it absorbs kind of all of that dirt and oil in your hair without leaving a residue. That's kind of the key for me because I have such dark hair. Sometimes dry shampoos do leave a residue on my hair, and I love that this one doesn't. So to apply this, you just shake the bottle very vigorously, get it good and shaken up. And then what you want to do is apply it in sections to your roots. So obviously I like to focus on the top of my hair, but you also need to hit the underneath side. So I'm just going to demonstrate. Again, this is 4th day hair, so I've lost quite a bit of volume, and it's gonna kind of look a little bit crazy while I'm doing this, but I promise the end result is so good and you'll be so surprised. And then I just kind of like to do it along my hairline as well, but make sure you really get those underneath sections, because the goal is really for the dry shampoo to clean out that dirt. And something I like to do is to further massage it into my hair with my hands. I just think this trick helps it absorb more oil. So I kind of wait a little bit for it to set and dry, and then I'll go ahead and I can feel it's a little bit wet still, but I'll just go through the main areas where I sprayed it and I massage it in with my fingertips. So just super gently. You don't want to like pull on your hair or anything like that, but just massage it in. And then I like to wait until it's completely dry to brush it out. Once you brush it out, you're going to see sort of an immediate increase in that volume, but it's key to wait until it's dry. You don't want to do this too early. You want to wait until it settles, and I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. So while we're waiting for it to dry, I'm going to talk a little bit about the next trick that I'm going to show you to not only make your hair look cleaner in between washes, but to actually boost the volume to make it look like you got a fresh blowout. And I'm going to do that in 2 ways. I'm going to show you one technique with using a round brush, and then I'm also going to add in a curling iron to really amp up sort of the shape and curls in your hair. So let's wait for this to dry, and then we'll come right back, and I'm going to show you how I do that. All right, so the dry shampoo is totally dry. You can see I don't have any residue on my roots, which is huge because a lot of dry shampoos do leave a powdery residue, especially on dark brunette hair like I have. So the Pantene Never Tell is amazing in that regard. You're not gonna get any weird residue on your hair. So the next step I'm going to do is to just brush it out. And this step is just going to smooth everything out and show you how to kind of amplify your dry shampoo to give your hair a little more volume. I think, you know, this is great. I could totally go on with my day with my hair looking fresher and cleaner and smoother having used the dry shampoo, but this is just a step if you kind of want to take it to the next level and extend your blowout even more. And like I said, I'm starting with 4th day hair, so I definitely have, you know, more built up oil and everything in my hair that the dry shampoo is taking care of. So today I'm gonna show you a quick trick. I'm using the Dyson Airwrap. You can use a regular blow dryer and a round brush. I just find this tool a little easier to use because it's just like one attachment. You don't have to hold 2 separate things, but it's totally doable with a round brush and a hair dryer, and it's just gonna amplify the results of your dry shampoo. So I'm gonna turn it on the hottest mode, and then I'm gonna kind of do it in sections to show you just how it helps add a little volume back and help take your dry shampoo to the next level. So sorry if this is loud. You just want to kind of brush it a little, and I kind of just do this around like all the side and front and crown sections of my hair to just help boost the volume with a little bit of heat. You don't want to use too much because, you know, trying to preserve your hair between washes, keep it healthy. If you want to add a little more shape and curl to your hair after you've done the volumizing tricks using Pantene's dry shampoo and the method I just showed you, you can either skip the blow drying part altogether and just go straight to the curling, or you can do the 2 in combination like I'm doing today, which is adding the volume with the heat from the hair dryer and that air, and now defining some of your curls. So I would totally be fine with my hair looking just like it is now, having used the dry shampoo, gotten rid of the dirt and oil, but if I want to wear my hair a little wavier, I'm going to show you how I do that really quickly. So I'm going to use a curling wand today, and I'm going to do a couple sections on camera so you can just see how I curl it. I have gone ahead and curled all of my hair in sections, and one critical thing I actually forgot to mention when it comes to dry shampoo: spray it into your roots at nighttime. I know this sounds kind of strange because why would you put dry shampoo in before you go to bed? But it's one of my key tips in keeping your hair clean between washes. You want to put your hair up in a high top knot, and what I do is I take my Pantene dry shampoo and I spray it all along my roots in the perimeter of my entire hair. And sometimes I'll actually spray a little bit into like my parted hair before I throw it up. This is the key to kind of keeping your hair looking clean between washes. So it's not just using it the next day for styling. You can totally do that, especially if your hair doesn't get a lot of oil. But if on like 3rd day hair, you're already noticing your hair is getting kind of limp, before bedtime, put some dry shampoo on your roots, and when you wake up, you'll brush it out. It will have absorbed everything overnight, and you'll already start with really nice, cleaner hair. Step for this look, because you have to get the built up oil in your roots out in order to get the volume from your other styling. So this is it. This is kind of the final look. You can use your hairbrush to smooth any pieces you need to break up those curls. And in the end, you'll have really volumized beachy waves. So yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. I love dry shampoo. I have been using dry shampoo for over a decade. It's a staple in my beauty routine. And if you want to check one out that does not leave residue on your hair, this is for any hair color, but especially if you have dark brown hair like I do, dry shampoos can leave residue, and I love that this one doesn't. So y'all can check Pantene's new dry shampoo out. It's called Never Tell, and it kind of helps you just extend that blowout between washes. And I hope you like the tips and tricks that I shared today to get your blowout to last longer, because honestly, no one has time to wash and blow out their hair every day. So I hope you liked this video, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.